In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring crypto purchases on Coinbase. If you want to automate your investments and take the guesswork out of timing the market, setting up a recurring buy is a great way to go. I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you can set it up with confidence. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone or head to coinbase.com in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you use two-factor authentication, have that ready so the sign-in is smooth. From the home screen, tap or click the buy button. This is your starting point for any purchase on Coinbase. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Pick the asset you believe in and understand. Prices move up and down, so think long-term and do your research before committing. Quick note, before we move on, I've placed the download link for the Coinbase app and the website link right at the top of the description to make this easy. If you don't have the app yet or prefer the web version, you can grab the correct link there. Now enter the amount you want to invest. You can start small, for example $10, and adjust later. Your local currency will display automatically, and keep in mind that fees may vary based on your payment method and region. Under Pay With, select your preferred payment method. You can choose a linked bank account, a debit card, or your existing cash balance on Coinbase. Bank transfers can sometimes have lower fees, while cards are typically faster, so pick what suits you best. Here's the important part. Turn on the recurring purchase. Look for an option labeled Invest Weekly or Recurring Buy, and toggle it on. This is what enables automatic purchases on a schedule. Set your schedule by choosing how often you want this to run, daily, weekly, or monthly. Many people use recurring buys as a form of dollar cost averaging, spreading purchases over time to reduce the impact of volatility. Choose the frequency that fits your plan and budget. Before you finalize, review your order carefully. Double-check the crypto you selected, the amount, your chosen frequency, and the payment method. Make sure everything looks right, then tap Review Order to see a final summary. When you're ready, tap Buy Now or Confirm. Your recurring crypto purchase is now active. Depending on your selection, the first buy may occur immediately or at the next scheduled time. If you ever want to manage, pause or cancel, go to Assets, then Recurring Buys, and make your changes anytime. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to check the links at the top of the description. And thanks for watching.